Mukuru wa Ian College Lyantonde najyango kutaho umutima bw'abeji n'abashomesa nibyo bakisa businguzo obu.
Ogundu murundi twinamashenerwa mingi munonga kureba ngo again ntisi abana kurungi munonga abana gukora points nyingi points 18 17 16 kushanga buri mwana wena aine points ezukubasa kumutwara omu university eyarukwenda 2 principal passes and above. Abana benji bona baine principles ishatu, meaning that umwana naza kukora course eyarukwenda kurugirira combination yakozere.
We are so happy for our teachers because they did a lot to perform better than the previous years. So I managed to score 16 points on a combination of math stroke sub ICT.
Abazire n'abashomesa bakozere cyangwa mu kushuganisa Obwegyese ishomereri nabo basimirwa mu muringo go mutano.
I thank God so much that I managed to perform 17 points. It was the Lord's mercy, the assistance of my teachers and parents. I thank my teachers so much.
Ndimusanyufu nnyo for the results. For sure God has been with us. I have 18 points with them. I thank my teachers, my friends, my parents. I'm really happy.
Babanda batura nibaraburwa kumara kwibura yemerimo barukura birombyo Obwegyese.
Hariho abana abazire abakushomesa abana babo bakabakumya omu siniya yakana obamwe bakabahingira abamwe bakabagira ngo mushitama hansi mushitamo mukamugumo muka icyo kintu tukirungi hakuba hasiniya yakana kandi nabwe otagarishiro kagira institution ayi wa mutamu nishibashitabonira kuba notamu hamwoga gwona.
To thank God for the performance generally as a school and I in person. I scored 16 points in head for doing history, economics and dignity.
Amakuru agasha kwa Sandeke William.